Hi, I'm Karen. We're here at Montevilla Sewing Center, and today we're going to talk about how to do a blind hem using the blind hem foot. This applies to any machine that can use this blind hem foot. Now, this foot, I'm going to show you what it looks like. It's got this little curl right here, and that's going to curl your fabric in as you sew it so that you don't have to pre-press your fabric. It just sews it really nice and neatly. Now what this is good for, I'll show you my little ruffle here. See the edge of that? That was sewn using a rolled hem foot. Okay, so now you do start with just kind of finger pressing your first little bit of fabric, so a generous 1/8 of an inch for this size of foot. There are feet that give you a little wider, up to almost 1/4 of an inch, in which case you'd fold it over twice, about 1/4 of an inch. But this here, 1/8 of an inch is just fine. Now because this makes a fine rolled hem, you want to use fairly fine fabric, like a lightweight quilting cotton or something even lighter than that would be just fine. Then place it so that your needle is just going to be near that inner edge. You can see if you look right down there. Go right down there like that. And then we're going to take a few stitches. Now I've got this slowed down to about half speed because we want to have plenty of control over this. And there is a bit of practice that you need to do, but I'm going to show you how to do it, and you can practice it, and before you know it, you'll be great at doing this. So we're going to hold our thread, our top thread, for the first couple stitches. Make about 4 or 5 stitches, and then stop with the needle down. Lift this up, take that first fold and put it up into the curl like that. You should actually see a little bit of fabric right there behind the curl. That way you know it's in there. Then put this back down. As you sew, you're going to need to lift this up a little bit, and that's going to help the fabric feed right into that curl. So I'm going to take it slow, and you can see how the edge of the fabric is being curled under as we sew. I'm taking it slow. Now at this point, I'm going to just stop, turn this and show you how nice and neat that is. Okay. Now, for teaching purposes, I'm going to show you how not to do it, okay? So, what you don't want to do is have so much fabric in this, that actually won't misbehave, or so little fabric in it, that you end up only with just one edge like that, and then you've got a raw edge showing. You also don't want to have so much fabric that it bends like this and you've got a double curl. If that happens, just stop at that point, take your fabric out of there, and then unstitch that a little bit, and then restart it, doing a little bit of a back stitch, and you can start over again. But as you can see, that can make a beautiful rolled edge, nice and strong. It's not going to fray, but it's nice and neat. That's great for doing ruffles, like on aprons and things like that. That's your basic rolled edge. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, give us a thumbs up. If you have comments or questions, you can leave those in the area down below. We have lots of other videos to watch here at Montevilla Sewing Center, so stay tuned. Happy sewing. See you later. Bye.